परिवार वाले ओए यार शांत हो जाओ, पहले मेरी तो सुन लो। हाँ भाई सुन लो बहुत सुना लो। ठीक है, बारात है 4:30 बजे। हाँ नहीं ना, पॉसिबल करो
यार, बारात बाद में कर लियो।
Giurami che tu ami solo me, ma non scherzai. Credo più. Giurami che tu ami solo me, ma non scherzai. Voglio il tuo amore solo per me, se no ciao ti dirò. Ciao ti dirò. Ciao ti dirò. Ti dirò bye bye baby, non tornare mai più.
Piyush Bhaiya has actually been the eldest of all of us and बड़े भैया से ज़्यादा उन्होंने हम सबको अपने बच्चों की तरह रखा है. We have a very huge age difference. तो we can say कि उन्होंने जितना प्यार करा है उतना डांटा भी है.
पीयूष भैया इज अ काइंड ऑफ पर्सन जिनको हमने शुरू से देखा कि हाँ यार, being the eldest we always wanted to be like him.
He is an all-rounder हर एस्पेक्ट में. हम सिर्फ उनको एज अ पर्सन नहीं बस बल्कि एकेडमिक देख लो भैया का, स्पोर्ट्स फ्रंट देख लो भैया का, लेट्स से लव लाइफ देख ली जाए और स्कूल में जो शैतानियाँ करी सब देख ली जाए. वी ऑल लुक फॉरवर्ड टू बिकमिंग हिम.
भैया की वजह से कंपटीशन बहुत रहा है फैमिली में. सबको कंपटीशन मिला कि नहीं भाई उसके जैसे, उसके आगे उससे ऊपर चलना है, उससे ऊपर चलना है. मतलब एक अलग ही लेवल हो गया था कि
He always wanted me to do whatever my heart says. He has never pressurized something over me. उसने मुझे हमेशा ये बोला कि जो तुम्हें करना है तुम वो करो, बट अच्छे से करो.
जैसे हम लोग बोल रहे हैं कि वी ऑलवेज लुक अप टू हिम, तो ये आज से नहीं है ना, कांस्टेंट थ्रू आउट रहा है.
उसने खुद डिसाइड किया कि मुझे मास्टर करनी है और वो भी यूएस से करनी है. तो उसके लिए खुद अपने आप को उसने तैयार किया. मैंने केवल ये कहा कि अगर तुम कर सकते हो तो करो. तो उसने जॉब में रहते हुए तैयारी करके और फिर अच्छा स्कोर किया और ताकि यूएस में उसको 3-4 यूनिवर्सिटी ने ऑफ़र किया.
उन्होंने अपनी सारी जिम्मेदारियां अच्छे से निभाई जो एक घर का बड़ा बच्चा करता है, और लास्ट तक, मतलब अब तक.
Sometimes when I'm not feeling nice or something, he just picks me up and starts making me feel better.
Ma non avrò parole, allora solo ciao ti dirò. Ciao ti dirò. Ciao ti dirò. Ti dirò bye bye baby, non tornare mai più. Solamente tu vivi nel mio cuore, tutto sei per me. E mi dispero immensamente quando penso che ciao ti dirò. Ciao ti dirò. Ciao ti dirò. Ti dirò bye bye baby, non tornare mai più. Giurami che tu ami solo me. Pupa non scherza, io non ti credo più.
You start with your spark and then I'll start with my spark.
Okay. We were studying in ASU and this organization called Coalition of International Students. That was the first time I saw him when there was a meeting, and then I was like, oh, he's really cute.
So I'm partying at my friend's birthday, for my friend's birthday, okay? So everybody knows. At this point, everybody in my circle knows, at our student organization knows that this guy likes this girl. And because I'm shy, they want to figure out how to push me. One of my friend had something to do, who was at the party. She had to go to computer lab for that. So she went to the lab. She found out that she's all dressed up, okay? Just the day before that was Black Friday. She's bought like nice big long boots and everything with high heels and then good white sweater and everything. So she's all dressed up for 12 in the night. Okay?
Look, that's
For
how I
studying,
am as a
okay?
person, okay? I swear to God, like even if I buy any clothes, even if I come home at midnight, I would wear it. And I will show it to my mom. Even if there's no occasion, I wear it. But that's what I told him, but he doesn't want to believe it.
Yeah, I don't believe that. So, yeah, so I find out and I tell my friends, oh, I have some work at the lab. I have to go. And she's not doing any assignment over there.
I was doing my stuff.
Yeah, I came and I saw that.
After you came, I just stopped doing it.
So I was a research assistant to one of my prof. And I had my own lab, okay? And at that time, my private lab used to be empty. So I came up and we met. And then after 5 minutes, I told her, do you want to go to my lab? That sounds so different.
उसकी चाहत का था इरादा कुछ वादों से उसे था पाना उन वादों में था एक वादा वो जो चांद है उसे था लाना अब उसे चांद चाहिए और उसे तारे चाहिए वो जो वादे किए थे उसे सारे चाहिए
But I remember her trying to mediate between the teachers and us so well, because we were the backbenchers, we were the naughty ones, and we are also her best friends. So I remember her coming and requesting, like,
yeah, she would get into shit. She would get into shit if
don't use your phone in class, yeah, please. Don't carry your phone.
Please don't talk. Just this one class. Please, it's just 45 minutes. Please don't talk. She like beggars. Like,
but with food, I don't think so. There was no control. Yeah, even she used to eat.
One of the incident I remember, she came and told me, I was sitting, I said, Mom, somebody's at the door, and so I said, okay, so naturally I have to open the door. So I just opened the door.
She was like really tiny.
Tiny, you know, she must be 2-3 years. Then, I opened the door and I just looking out who's come. And this one sneaked out, went out, and she ran away. I said, where are you going? I want to play, she's telling, and she just went away.
I think the group wouldn't be there if it wasn't for her effort.
Yeah, true.
Like creating the group,
reminding
making
one of us.
Making sure all of us wish each other.
Yeah, she reminds us.
Birthday.
Yeah, there was this entire time, but like this entire phase when I didn't have WhatsApp because I thought it was a distraction. She would message me saying, it's Sneha's birthday, wish her. It's this person's birthday, wish her, on text messages. I think that's sweet. That's very sweet. We had environment education class going on, and Vinu was eating in class, and the teacher turned around, and we were pros at it. Like, class would go on and we knew exactly किस frequency में खाना है नहीं खाना है. But something went wrong, miscalculation. Teacher turns around and she's somewhere in the middle, and she had to make a choice whether she puts it in or she put it in.
पर उसे चाँद चाहिए और उसे तारे चाहिए, वो जो वादे किए थे उसे सारे चाहिए, और उसे चाँद चाहिए और उसे तारे चाहिए, मेरी चाहत ना उसको, बस मेरे वादे चाहिए.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅವಳು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ ಅವಳನ್ನು ಏನೋ 1 ಡೇ ಇನ್ಕ್ಯುಬೇಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟರು. ಅವನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯೂಟಾಗಿತ್ತು ಮಗು ಅಂದರೆ, ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್, ಸಚ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಬೇಬಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಬೇಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು ಅವಳನ್ನ ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು.
Vinu has been living with me for the last 2.5 years. So I've seen them interact and I've seen them. To me, a good couple is who fights well. Like when they fight, there's no profanity, there's no abuse, nothing. There's a very respectful fight. And that was again new to me because all I've heard and seen is people fighting and getting upset with each other. So these guys would get upset in a very respectful way. And that to me was so important. And I told my mum that, I said, look, I think he really does love her. And I was thinking in this 2.5 years ago.
So when they first came, besides being late, but Vanuta and Piyush are always late. Piyush had bought, I don't think it was a big motorcycle, but it was a motorbike. And when it was time to leave, they were getting ready to go, and I said, well, here's one helmet. Where is the other helmet? And I had given it to Piyush, and he turned around and was giving it to Vanuta. And Vanuta said, oh, we only have one. And then I got angry with them, gently angry, but said, no, you need 2 helmets, and it's dangerous. And Piyush said very innocently, but I always make her wear it. And I said, but Piyush, if something were to happen to you, Vanuta would feel terrible and would have to live with that for the rest of her life. So it's not an answer. And Vanuta said yes and tried to give the helmet to Piyush. And both of us said no. And Piyush put the helmet on Vanuta and they left. Piyush never got another helmet, but he did buy a car, which that was good.
Piyush is this little, I don't know, mysterious onion almost. You think you figured him out, but then you peel another layer and you get to know him better. Of course, I didn't know him well, right?
He's a very caring, he's a very genuine person, and as a brother, he has always been very supportive to me. And although we fight a lot, we argue a lot, but then I really love him, really, from the bottom of my heart.
वो हमेशा से मुझे बेटी बेटी करके बोलते हैं. वो बहन से ज़्यादा मुझे ज़्यादातर बेटी बोलते हैं, और उनका जो वो हग होता है ना, वो एक रिलैक्स वाला हग होता है.
फिर भी सबसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं मुझे. सबसे ज़्यादा उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा सा बिहेवियर है कि जब भी कुछ बोलते तो भैया बोलते हैं, भैया जब भैया डांटने लग जाते थे, भैया प्यार भी करते हैं, मारते नहीं है, बस प्यार ही प्यार करते हैं.
He's really fun. I mean, like every time he's come to meet us or anything, he's always made sure that he's pulled out time for the both of us out of his like really busy schedule where he's running around Bangalore all the time and stuff. He's always made time for us. He's always spoken to us, and like there are days when we just want to talk to him, so he'll make out like 5 minutes and just video call us and talk to him. So it's really nice.
हाँ, शैतानी जैसे कई बार स्कूल टाइम होता था और ये खेलने के लिए चला जाता था, सुबह क्रिकेट खेलता था या जो भी कुछ. स्कूल का टाइम हो गया, अभी तक वापस नहीं आया, तो फिर काफ़ी गुस्सा करना पड़ता था. अभी उसको एक आध बार थोड़ा पिटाई भी हुई इसकी.
भैया को डांट बहुत पड़ती थी उनका, तो इसलिए भी पड़ती थी क्योंकि हम सबको फैमिली में सबको पता था कि हम सब उनको देख रहे हैं, तो जो वो करेंगे वही हम करेंगे. तो इस वजह से कई बार उनकी नहीं भी गलती होती थी, तो हम लोगों की वजह से भी उन्हें डांट पड़ रही होती थी.
He should remain as he is. That's what I wish. That's my wishes.
When I was watching the live of his convocation, So that moment when his name was announced and he came up on the stage and it received whatever the degrees and all, so that moment was the proudest one.
खुश रहे वो और हो सके तो यहीं सेटल हो जाए. मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता वो बाहर आते हैं फिर जाते हैं.
So this is one thing I'm very happy about the girl he wants to spend his life with. He's not compromising on that.
With me holding on to you and you holding on to me.
जब पीयूष यूएस गया था तो मैं कभी छोड़ने नहीं रही थी उसको. मैंने उसको सिर्फ यही कहा था मैं बहुत खुश हूँ तुम जा रहे हो. मैंने दिन देखा अच्छा, पर ना तुम टेंशन लेना देना, पर मेरे अपने जो मैंने बनाया उसको मेंटेन करके रखना.
The best thing is कि कभी डिफरेंस हम 11 में उनकी तरफ से हम लोगों को, चाहे वो महिमा हो, चाहे वो मैं हूँ, चाहे वो देव हो,
चाहे तो शादी
चाहे वो कोई भी हो,
ईशान कोई भी,
चाहे वो हम लोगों के पेरेंट्स को भी देखा जाए, द वे वो अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ हैं वैसे ही एग्जैक्टली वो मेरी मॉम मेरे डैड सब.
भैया हमेशा बोलते हैं मेरी 3 माएँ नहीं है मेरी 5 माएँ हैं.
रिलेशन को थोड़ा सा ये ज़्यादा वैल्यू देता है. तो हमारे यहाँ एक सिस्टम है, हमारा जो फैमिली है वो बहुत बड़ी फैमिली है. तो उसमें जितने भी रिलेशन हैं, चाहे वो मामा है, चाहे मौसी है अथवा चाचा है, कोई हो, तो उन सबको एक साथ लेके चलता है, उनके साथ पूरा जुड़ा हुआ रहता है.
One thing that stands out about Piyush is like he is the sweetest person. You know, he's always there for me. When I needed help, he's always there, like hands down. I can rely on him all the time.
I think Piyush is always very gentle and very kind to Vinuta, firm when he needs to be, but Vinuta can make Piyush laugh and laugh at himself.
So I'm very bad in expressing or choosing the words. Like I'm thinking, okay, I have this feeling and I want to express that feeling. I'm not very good at choosing the right words sometimes.
Vinu said, I want you to meet this guy Piyush. I said, I don't want to meet Piyush. I'm not thinking of your marriage right now.
She was against it because she did not want me to. She wanted me to be independent.
She said, no, we are not talking about marriage now. You just meet him. I said, okay. I don't have a problem in meeting him.
So her mom was like, okay, why do you want to marry him?
And the poor guy was so stressed because she's like at him, interviewing him. Like imagine going to an interview or an exam, it was that bad. Alba.
He
was sweating.
So I tell that, you know what, I really like her because she's independent and she's grounded.
No, wait, okay, you didn't say that, okay? Hello.
Okay, you can tell the exact words.
He actually, the thing is, if you would have used the word independent and grounded, they would have been fine with it. What he says is, he said that Vinu kind of does all the housework and I like the way she does
what
it.
What I didn't like about Piyush telling about Vinuta is, Auntie, she's very humble kind of a person. She goes down on her knees on the floor and cleans the floor on her knees, and she cleans the vessels.
Yeah. And I've seen her cook and clean and go down on her knees and mop the floor.
She didn't even let me complete the sentence. As soon as I said that, my sister went like,
you gotta be
that was the closure before opening.
And I'm like,
Got a real good feeling, like there is lightning deep in my bones. Got a real good feeling, I won't hit no ceiling. I'm going higher than I've ever known. We like it dangerous, we like to see you split. Turn up another notch, you ain't seen nothing yet. Let me tell you something, right now. real good feeling.
कुछ एक चीज़ मैं पीयूष के लिए स्पेसिफिकली बोलना चाहता हूँ. He is one guy we've always looked up to. वो बचपन में चार्ट पेपर्स आते थे ना जिस पे लिखा होता था आदर्श बालक, वो ये है.
He has always been that one person that pulls you up, takes you to another level, helps you in life to grow, etc. etc.
तो ऑफ कोर्स मुझे बहुत अच्छा भी लगता था इसके साथ रह के, बट मुझे प्रॉब्लम भी बहुत होती थी कि ये इतना परफेक्ट क्यों है, क्योंकि फिर हमारे पेरेंट्स की भी एक्सपेक्टेशंस ऊपर हो जाती है ना. बहुत बुरा टाइम भी देखा है मैंने घर पे तेरी वजह से, क्योंकि वही होता है पीयूष तो हेड बॉय है, तू क्यों नहीं करता है कुछ. मैं मजे करता हूँ यार, वो उसका क्या.
I knew this girl loves Piyush a lot, and Piyush loves her a lot. The thing is, there was no words from Piyush, there was no words from Vinno, but there was that heart connection which communicated to me these two love them, each other a lot, and that was the moment when I said, Vinno, I'm okay with Piyush. You getting married to Piyush.
He saw me at my rock bottom. Okay, there was this phase in my life where I didn't get any jobs. I felt very dejected and emotional and in my life, and and then he was there for me, and I feel like if he wasn't there, I would probably not be alive today, because he was there for me emotionally and he was so supportive and he never made me feel like a failure.
I think during that bad phase, he was there throughout. That support, and nobody would get it. God bless that she got it, and he was there, and he was sharing, he was being that person that she wanted.
There's never been going to be a day when I don't have my support. I will always be with you. And I know we fight a lot, so don't worry about that. I will never let go of you. Yes, I will always be with you.
लव से कम से हो गए हाजिर जो तुम हो यहाँ दिल राज़ी है.
Yes, plus I want like 2-3 kids also.
Choose it now.
Hey, 5 at least.
Oh no way.
सुन लो ना तुम जो मिले तो पता मिल गया लापता बरसात का ये बूंदे है जैसे देने लगे जवाब वो हर बात का भीगे उन कुल्फतों के भीड़ से तुम गुर्बते ये चुन लो ना.
She means the world to me. Harshita and Meenata means the world to me. Many times in my life, I was thinking, should I continue to live? Many times. And these two are the reason why I lived. I know you know very well how much I love you.
And she loves you more than me, by the way. She does. All we've asked, I think, of both of them is that they just love each other. Love each other forever.
First night when we were together, after that, she's like, I don't believe in the concept of marriage. That's like she throws me at my face. I'm like, okay, fine. I believe in the concept of marriage. You don't believe. In my heart, I was like, yeah, I'll convince her. I always knew I can convince her. Usually, it's the girl who has that dream that, oh, I want to get married. This one. I always had that dream. We'll get married in temple.
It's like when I saw you, it's like I knew I wanted to marry you.
Yeah.
Thankfully, that has not changed after knowing me personally.
I found you passing by in cold December. Lost in view, but still your face and your gaze I remember. Looking at the diamonds in your eyes, shine in the pale moonlight. This is our time into the night. I feel alive at 59 when we feel young into the night. I feel alive. This is the time when we feel
I love you. I'm sorry for everything, for all the pain I've caused you. And thank you for being my rock, for all the tough times when you know what they were. And I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
into the night. I feel alive at 59 when we feel young into the night. I feel alive. This is the time when we feel
खुश रहे।
मेरा मैसेज यही है बेटे, उन दोनों को आपस में बहुत अच्छी तरह से एक दूसरे में तालमेल रख के पूरा एक दूसरे के साथ अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ में अपनी लाइफ को आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए। तो एक दूसरे को समझें और कंप्रोमाइज़ करते हुए लाइफ में आगे बढ़ें अच्छी तरह से, खुशी से। कभी कोई ऐसा मौका ना आने दें ताकि उनमें दोनों में आपस में किसी तरह का कोई तनाव आए।
वन मैसेज एंड वन विश कि हमेशा अच्छे से रहें, एक दूसरे के साथ खुश रहें।
You should know that he is extremely important for us. His happiness is extremely important for us. That everybody will not know, but he should know that his happiness, his health and happiness is extremely important for us, because that is what we know his life depends on.